up, guys? Back here in another video. We're going to show you guys how to make a custom vented number plate. I ain't got mine started yet. I got my graphic cut out, but I'll pull that off there so you can see. I done went ahead and cut out the outline, the background behind everything. You can see I got the background cut out in this graphic here where I wanted it at. Yours probably more than likely be different. That's the design I come up with. I got that and I taped it on to the number plate. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see, but I traced it so I know exactly where to cut the plastic so I can cut inside of what's going to be cut out there. I'll get it cut out. I'm just going to use a box blade and maybe a little grinder. I'll catch back up when I got it cut out. Alright guys, we got the plate cut out. Got to really take your time and be patient with it, but for the most part I believe it'll work pretty good. Now we just get our graphic slapped on there, and we can start working on the mesh on the inside. Alright, got the graphic stuck on there. Went ahead and scuffed up the inside around where I was going to glue a little bit, where it'd stick a little bit better, but just got to glue the mesh on the inside now, cut out a little piece that'll fit it, and glue the mesh over it. Should be good. Got it done. You know what you guys think? I think it turned out pretty sick. Took that wire mesh. I used plastic in case anything goes wrong and it won't stab you or nothing, but I don't like the look of rivets, so I just use the plastic kind with hot glue. I've heard people say that hot glue holds just fine, so if it don't, we'll fix it in the future. She did pretty good. It looks good. Comparison there. You probably be able to see like the fork tubes and stuff through it. Probably look pretty cool. And I swapped the black number plate off. I got black back number plates and black fender too, and a whole new reprint of my graphic kit because it was getting pretty scratched up and whatnot from just wear and tear. I'll do that in the near future. Can throw this thing on when I do that. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comments. Pretty fun. Peace out, guys.